tuning in to another BART video. Today I'm going to walk you through how to add appliances to your brigade, group or unit. Appliance accounts provide a way to record cars, trucks and even aircraft within the BART system. Members can be assigned to an appliance, which can assist with forming response teams. Appliance accounts also have their own set of status options and are automatically tracked, providing ongoing, real-time situation awareness. Appliance accounts have additional information fields, including role, seating capacity, water capacity, range, registration number, SALCAL, or BFO. To register a new appliance, you need to be an administrator of your brigade, group, or unit. Log in to the BART Members web app. Go to Administration in the main menu and select Members. Click on the New button. A pop-up will appear. Select Appliances from the Type drop-down. At a minimum, you'll need to add a name, a username, and a password. You can also add an email, a mobile number, and a membership number. Occasionally, you might see an error when creating a new account, like unique login required. This happens when there's already an account with the same username, email, or mobile number within the system. Every account within BART needs to be unique, so you may need to adjust the appliance details. When you're ready, click Create.